Welcome to a world where every journey is an unforgettable story, and every stay feels like home. Discover vacation home rentals tailored to your needs. From short-term escapes to long-term retreats, we offer beachfront and luxury properties designed for ultimate comfort. Immerse yourself in unique tour packages. Experience cultural tours, thrilling desert safaris, scenic sightseeing, and adventure-packed journeys. Elevate your stay with our luxury getaways. Indulge in private villas, mansions, and ultra-luxury experiences crafted for the discerning traveler. Simplify your travel with our seamless transportation services. From airport transfers to private chauffeurs and group transport, we've got you covered. Rely on our destination concierge services for event bookings, local experience recommendations, and VIP shopping assistance. Host memorable events in our vacation homes. From family reunions to weddings, honeymoons, and corporate retreats, we set the stage for unforgettable moments.